everyone, I'm Allie with Potomac Beads, and I am going to do a little spotlight on the newest Par Puca bead, the Helios bead. So the Helios bead is the next bead in the collection of the Par Puca line that features beads that really fit together inside of one another and really complement one another. So I've gotten to play around with these a little bit. I've only had them for a really short amount of time, and I'm excited to work with them more. So the Helios bead is kind of a whale's tail that you want to think of. It's about a 6x9, 6x10 millimeter bead, and it does have two holes. So you can see here how the holes go through on this tulip fields pendant that I did. The holes go through the top, and then they arch basically along that little fishtail from one side to the other. I've had fun really trying to see what fits inside of them, working with round duos and round duo minis, as well as some diamond duos, and checking out the designs and playing around with the different ways of setting them up, basically. It's really fun to see how these beads incorporate with one another. Like here I have them with the newest Helios beads, working with those Helios together. So it's fun to see how these Par Puca beads basically fit from one into the other. Again, we will have them available in a number of different colors, including a lot of my favorites that I have laid out here in those metallic purples, as well as the gold luster and the light green and the blue here, and a number of different beautiful check coatings that go really, really well, again, with all of the different Puca beads that we already have, as well as some Potomac exclusives. So I look forward to playing around with these new beads and seeing the way that they work, giving that almost Victorian look, I would say, to some of the designs with that nice kind of curvature and flow. They have a really, really fluid movement because, again, they have that curve. I really looked at them and kind of saw tulip, an open, beautiful tulip there, and having fun playing along with them, facing them in, almost kissing towards one another, and on the outside as well. So there will be a lot more bead designs coming out with the Helios, as well as we'll have some on our website done by Puca herself as she creates and builds the beads and gets them designed to go with the others. So we look forward to bringing you more of these awesome Par Puca beads. Get yourself some Helios beads and play around with them. Let us know in the comments what you think. Remember, if you want to check out all of these new beads, new spotlights, get regular updates, hit that little bell and subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. As always, from us here at Potomac Beads, thanks so much for watching. Happy beading and enjoy this new Helios Par Puca.